Y'all be going through these storms. Check out these birds. The birds in the sky. They're mighty, mighty. I can't tell if that's a raven or a vulture. Let me know in the comments. Check them out. Y'all, look at the ravens in the sky. There's a lot of ravens. Lots of ravens. Or maybe those are turkey vultures. There's a whole lot of them. They're flying around. It's a tornado watch. They seem to be migrating. I'm trying to figure out if these are turkey vultures or are they ravens. Are you a raven? So many ravens or vultures. There's something, but there's many. Lots of them. Y'all, we're in a tornado and there is birds. The birds are giving the warning to take cover. They're right there. I think they're ravens. I'm not sure. They may be turkey vultures. There's so many. They're coming in numbers, folks. I'm just looking out my window, watching them. They're landing in my tree. And here comes the storm. Woo, you better land, boy. Better land, Mr. Bird. They're out here in this weather, and they're still flying, folks. Full crank. I'm getting ready to do this. Meditate, and look out the window. It's beautiful out. It's beautiful out. But yeah. full granny. Like my porch. Yeah, y'all like my porch. My birds like it too. Yeah. This is beautiful. And always remember, after you make it through a storm, you can make it to the light. Yeah, it's beautiful. I love storms. And I love you all. And I want to take this opportunity to say thank you to each and every one of you for showing up each day. And subscribe to my channel. Let's make it grow. I'm going to be doing this soon, traveling events, the Pacific Northwest, and all kinds of other stuff in between coming soon. So subscribe to Euphoric Granny, and I'll see y'all later. I love you guys. Toodaloo.